Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 11 search bar is not working into your Windows. You can see in the search bar sometimes it's not working into your Windows. So how are you going to fix it? It's very simple. First, you just need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button, and then you will get an option called Task Manager. If you click on that, then you just need to make it come over this icon over here to find the option over here called Open Services. Into this three dot, you will find the option called Open Services. If you click on that, then there will be a some services windows will be pops up. And from here, you just need to scroll down and need to search for Windows Search. And after a short time, you can see we find Windows Search over here. So if you just click on the right mouse button, then you will get an option called Properties. If you click on the Properties, then you will get an option called Services Status. So if you turned it off, and going to disable it and then going to apply it and click OK. And now what we're going to do, we just need to come over into a start icon and going to restart your device. After restarting your device, you just need to come over into your start icon, click on the right mouse button and then go for Task Manager. And after that, you just need to go for this section services another time, and then here you just need to click on this three dot and click on Open Services. And then you just need to select the services option and going to select the first activate installer and then type W. After that, here the W section you came in and then search for Windows Search. And here we find Windows Search over here, and you can see it's disabled. So if you right click and then go for Properties, and then here you just need to select the automatic, and then if you just click on Apply, click OK, and this time your search screen are working very fine. So this is how you can fix your Windows 11 search bar is not working. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.